Hello students, you think what do bricks and our bodies have in common? Let's build the answer together. Imagine building a house without bricks. Impossible, right? Just like that, every living thing including you is built using tiny blocks called cells. Today let's unlock the world of cells, the real building blocks of life. So, what are cells? Cells are not just tiny part of us. They are the powerhouses running every action inside our body. From digesting food to make your heart beat. Cells are behind it all. So cells are the basic structural and functional unit of life because they form tissues, organs and the whole body, and also they help in functions like breathing, eating, moving, everything you can't even imagine. Everything beyond that is what are called cells. But how did humans even discover something so tiny? Let's rewind the clock. So, discovery of cells. In 1665, scientist Robert Hooke peeked into a cork slice using a primitive microscope. He saw tiny rooms and named them cells, just like monks' room in a monastery, and that's how the name cell stuck. And once cells were discovered, scientists uncovered even more wonders, leading to the powerful cell theory. And next we see cell theory. Sladen and Swan gave us the cell theory, stating that all living things are made of cells, and new cells are born only from the existing ones, like a life cycle passing on the legacy. Now, let's meet the types of organisms based on the number of cells they have. So, unicellular and multicellular organisms. Some organisms like bacteria and amoeba are just one-man armies, that is unicellular. But we humans are like blockbuster productions with trillions of specialized cells performing in perfect coordination. Regardless of the type, all cells share some common features. Let's take a closer look. Now, let's peek at basic features of cells. Every cell has its own security. That security is given by cell membrane, which controls what goes in and out. And the next one is cytoplasm, which acts as a kitchen or workshop for us, which is a jelly-like fluid for cell activities where they perform many activities. And the next one is a nucleus, which is a brain, like to keep running a life smoothly. The control center or a brain of the cell is called as nucleus. Now I have a storyline for you to remember this. Think of a cell like a mini factory. The cell membrane is the factory gate, the cytoplasm is the workshop floor, and the nucleus is the control room. Everything works together to keep the factory and you alive. So just like a factory has a gate, workers and control room, your cells have all that too. So next time someone asks what keeps you alive, you know it's your tiny living factories. So that's all for today. Let's meet in the another session. Until then, stay curious and keep asking why. Thank you.